Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 11, and our prompts for this week is a portion of a blank form, and I've got just this piece of guest check, something you love, I've got this coffee, a postal item, I have got this part of an envelope with a stamp and part of the script. Window, doors, and gate. I've got this altered playing card that's got this window. A playing card, so I've got two of those because I did two altered playing cards. And the bonus is a list, and I've got this list right here. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right. Well, not a lot's going on with me. I am filming this on Friday, and pretty much what I told you I did for my video, which should show yesterday on Saturday for 50 stack challenge. So let's see. I want to get this down, and I'm just gonna put this down. And I'm just gonna put that in the corners, and I'm gonna put this one down here. This will be a simple one because of the pieces I picked. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and glue this down while I've got it right here. Okay, so I know that I want to do something kind of like that, and I want to bring this one sort of like that. Okay, so let me get this down. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope you have a great weekend. It's almost over. I've got so many altar playing cards because I did the full day challenge the last couple of years. I didn't do it this year, although it is a lot of fun. But I've got lots of cards. But I did see something from it's Art Hickory. I took a screenshot of her page so that I'd have her name, but unfortunately I had been scrolling down and it didn't have her name on there, so I have to go back and look. But she was making hidden paper clips from altar playing cards. So I want to do that because I've got a big old thing of playing cards. All right. Oh. Glue that down. Get my stamp down. So that pretty much takes care of my prompts. And I thought it just felt a little bare there. So I just got some string from my string jar. Got to use that stuff up somehow. And I am just gonna put that down there. Make sure that gets down. Just to add a little something to it. To make it look full. And I will do some splatters. I can find paint. All right, now let's see. I do like my gold splatters. I have a few splatters already on my cards. And I think I'm just going to go around the edges just to frame it out. Make it look complete. No biggie. And there we go. Ooh. I have gotten right now. Hold on to anything. All lost my paintbrush. There it is. I drop stuff left and right, and I don't know why. All right. So we have got our portion of a blank form, something you love, which I love coffee, a postal item, I've got that, windows, doors, and gates, I've got the window, playing card, either side, and I've got these 2 altered playing cards, and the bonus is a list, and the list is up under there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I know this one was short and sweet. Nothing wrong with that every now and then, is it? Be sure and leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would. It helps my channel to grow. It doesn't cost anything. And if you click that bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And leave a comment. That also helps my channel to grow, and I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me to know that people appreciate what I do. So y'all take care. Be sure and check out be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP11. Sorry, I just finished the 50 stack challenge video, so you know how it is. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.